Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we have a review of the finished dress. This is the dress, and when you first look at it, it seems that it is very complex and difficult to make. Here is the bow, an assembly, a rope, but in reality everything is very simple and easy. I will try to tell you about it on mannequin, and after that I will show you everything on the table. The dress is absolutely even, but in order for it not to be a dress shirt, there is a belt on the front. I'll show you now. It does not reach the side seam by 6 centimeters. It looks exactly the same from the back. Sewn here is a tight strip that does not reach the side seam. And from here is the belt, and from here is the belt, and they are tied on the side. One gets the impression that the assembly is being created, but these belts move while driving and it looks very beautiful. What else can I say? Raglan dress. Not a deep cut is made, but nevertheless it is here. And here there is a 3 centimeters deviation from the beginning of the neck. And here there is 4 centimeters deviation from the top. In order not to cut the drawing like this, we have a groove here. Raglan ending in undercut. There are no gathers or pinches here. The breast undercut is translated into the neck, and from here it is assembled with small ropes. There are no tucks, only the groove was transferred into the neck. The raglan sleeve is wide, straight and even, absolutely flat, hemmed with a Moscow seam, silk dress, 100% silk actually, and here is the belt. 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters wide directly opposite the shoulder. The belt collects everything and makes the sleeve very interesting. All these details made with the dress very romantic. Look how beautiful it is. The top of the dress is unlined, only lined at the bottom. If you love seam pockets, you can do it here. We don't have that. Look at the dress carefully, and now I will take off my dress and show it on the table. The dress is on the table. The colors are beautiful. The outside is crêpe de chine and the inside is satin. Now I will measure the width of the sleeve, 30 centimeters sleeve. Around 60 centimeters. I thought that it will be 20 centimeters. About 80 centimeters along the bottom of the dress. This means 1 meter 60 centimeters in a circle. Now I will tell you the width of the wings, 3 centimeters. The belts are inserted into them. The fabric is very nice. Happy people will wear dresses like this. very delicate seams. There are no raglan seams anywhere, no big seams, very delicate seams. Everything is done beautifully. The lining is sewn on. Where we have sewn the curtain, there is also a lining. Here it is. There is nothing more to show. Here is the raglan, here is the shoulder. The raglan carving ends very gracefully. Please pay attention to this. Very delicate work. I showed you this beautiful dress and I'm so happy. It seems to us that in order to have some kind of beautiful dress, you need to make a fantastic cut and supernatural cut, and only then it will be beautiful. Sometimes the simplest cut and the simplest looks adorns us more than fantastic ones. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!